Good evening. Come back to class. Is it audible? Naveen, Sonam,
Yes, sir.
and is it Durga? New candidate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, my class అయిపోయాక నాకు ఒకసారి కాల్ చేయండి దుర్గా.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is January batch class. The class was started like 3 or 4 days ago. So 3 classes complete అయినాయి already. నేను బ్యాకప్ మీకు పంపిస్తాను.
ఓకే సార్, నేను డెమో ఇందామని మీట్ అయ్యాను.
Okay, today is not the demo class. It is live class. Recorded
Okay,
demo
sir.
నేను మీకు సెండ్ చేస్తాను చూడండి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇది కూడా అటెండ్ అవ్వచ్చు. You can, no problem. And
ఓకే సార్.
so now where are we? We are continuing journal entries class, right?
Yes, sir.
So first I told like
Owner
transaction related to owners.
Yes.
Next
Then
banking, and next one is assets.
okay.
And today I'm going to focus the transaction related to the purchase of the goods. What is that? The
Okay.
goods related transaction. Okay. I'll tell you the complete concept of the goods purchases. Journal entries on purchase of goods related transactions. So this class is very, very important. So definitely minimum 2 to 3 questions will come from this topic. Mute look help. We are getting some noise. Is it from the class or nothing? Mute look. Each time is a noise system. You're mute load and so now we can respond. No issues from your side. Mute పైన క్లిక్ చేయండి దుర్గా. ఓకే, నేను మ్యూట్ చేస్తాను మిమ్మల్ని దుర్గా. వెయిట్. Okay. See, when someone asks you the questions related to purchases, first you should not get confused. So when someone asks the question on purchases, everyone is giving answer like this. So purchase account debit to cash account. What is that? Purchase account debit to the cash account. So it is not the correct answer for every question. Journal entry for the what? Purchase related transaction. Not every time the answer will come like purchase account debit to cash account. So you need to do focus here what type of purchase it is. Generally the purchases are the 2 types we have. The purchases are how many types? 2 types of purchases. One is goods related purchases and one more is what? Asset related purchases. That means first we have to get clarity. When someone asking question on purchases, you have to classify it. Is that related to goods purchases or is that related towards asset purchases? అది గూడ్స్ పర్చేజా అసెట్ పర్చేజా అనేది మనం ముందు డిసైడ్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే, I'll take the examples here. So let's assume our company is like Reliance. Can take any company name. Reliance Digital. What is our company name? Reliance Digital. Let's assume we know the activity of the Reliance Digital, right? So the Reliance Digital activity is what? Buying and selling of the electronics. Yes.
Yes.
Let's assume if Reliance Digital is going to purchase the goods, nothing but electronic items from which company? Dell company. Reliance is receiving the laptops. Reliance receiving, nothing but Reliance purchasing 10 laptops. Reliance purchased about 10 laptops. The value is how much rupees? 10 lakhs. And company is paying the cash. We are receiving 10 lakhs rupees laptops and we are giving
Cash.
10 lakhs rupees cash. So here company is purchasing. Reliance company purchased laptops from Dell company with the cash rupees 10 lakhs. It is question 1. The same way company also do sometimes like this. Reliance Digital is purchasing furniture from the Royal Oak Company or from the Royal Furniture Company. Reliance Digital purchasing the what? Furniture. Means Reliance Digital purchasing furniture from Royal Company with the cash of like 10 lakhs or 5 lakhs. It can be anything. So in second question, what is happening here? Reliance receiving 10 lakhs rupees furniture.
Furniture.
So that Reliance is giving 10 lakhs rupees cash. So the question for the first example is like this. Reliance Digital purchased the laptop from Dell company with cash 10 lakhs. Reliance Digital purchased the furniture with cash 10 lakhs from the Royal company. So both the questions are looking like same or not?
Yes, sir.
They are giving these two types of questions to you. So it is also related purchases transaction. It is also what? Purchase related transaction. So everyone is giving answer like this. Journal entry for the first one is that purchase account debit and cash account credit. Even for second example also you are going to repeat same answer. That is what? Purchase account debit and cash account credit. This is the major issue we have. Okay, you know about accounting. You means you know very well about accounting and you have good amount of experience also. But still, you are going to get confused here. Because you tune your mind like this. When there is a question on purchases, the journal entry will come like purchase account debit to cash account, or purchase account debit to bank account, or purchase account debit to supply account. ఓకే మీకు ఈ విధంగా మీరు థింక్ చేస్తారు సో మ్యూట్లోకి గో టు మ్యూట్ సో ఓకే సో ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ఎప్పుడైతే పర్చేజ్ రిలేటెడ్గా వస్తుందో ఇమీడియట్గా మీ ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ పర్చేజ్ టు క్యాష్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది సో దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ ద కరెక్ట్ వే సో I'll tell you the difference here. Here how company is going to maintain accounting. First, you should know the core activity of the Reliance company. The core activity of the Reliance Digital is now buying and selling of electronic items. So when company is purchasing different types of electronic items, then we should not maintain separate account for the each type of item. If company is purchasing laptop, then we cannot say laptop account debit to cash account. If company is purchasing refrigerator account debit to cash account. ఇలా ప్రతి చిన్న ఐటమ్కి మనం ఒక బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేయలేము. We cannot maintain the different types of account for the different types of items. There are thousands of products are there. So for each and every product, we cannot maintain the what accounts. Simply what we can do, whatever company is purchasing for the resale, even companies purchasing different types of items also, if it is for the resale purpose, record them in a single account. That single account name is what? Purchase account. Slowly you'll get understand. So first one, I'm drawing a ledger like this. First one and second one. So in the first case, company is receiving how much rupees worth of laptop? 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs here I'm writing, and company is giving cash is also how much? 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
So receiving benefit and recording in a separate account.
Giving.
Okay, giving benefit we are recording in a separate account. 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs. The suitable name I'm giving to the first account as a what? Purchase account. And for this one, we already know it, cash account.
Sir, small doubt.
Just tell me this one.
So actually cash account అని కాకుండా we are purchasing from Dell కాబట్టి why don't we give as a Dell account?
I mentioned here as a cash. If I did not mention cash, then you can take the Dell account.
Okay.
Slowly you'll understand. After completing total session on this topic, you'll understand.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in example 1 means for the item 1 we are receiving that is 10 lakhs rupees laptops. So purchase account debit to cash account. Here we already know it is what laptop. Okay. In case if company is purchasing not the laptops, if company is purchasing, let's assume air conditioner. What is that? Air conditioner from the Blue Star company with cash of same 10 lakhs. Okay, if company is receiving if company is purchasing the air conditioner with the cash of 10 lakhs from the Blue Star company. Even for second item purpose is also what? Resale purpose. So what I can do now? So I'm not going to maintain separate account like again AC account, debit to cash account. I'm recording that value also in where? Value it can be anything. So again purchase account, debit to cash account. 10 lakhs here. Okay, even for second item also, laptop and air conditioner. Is both the items value, whatever is company received, I'm recording in which account? Purchase account only. In case company is purchasing like a washing machine from XYZ company, that value is 5 lakhs, same purchase account debit to cash account credit. For 3 items, journal entry is coming like this only. Purchase account debit to cash account 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, purchase account debit to cash account 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, and 5 lakhs. Okay, now look at right side. In the first example, company is purchasing the furniture with cash from the so and so company. So here the intention of this furniture is for resale or usage purpose. In the second example, in right side, the intention of the furniture of the Reliance company, is it for resale purpose? Is it for the usage purpose?
Usage purpose only.
Let's assume it is for usage purpose. So we cannot record in a purchase account. Okay, if it is for usage purpose, then maintain separate account. So record the receiving benefits and the giving benefits. Like 10 lakhs here, 10 lakhs here, and furniture account debit and cash account credit. If company is purchasing building for the usage purpose, then so building account debit 5 lakhs and cash account credit 5 lakhs. Okay, if company is purchasing some other kind of assets like a lorry or vehicles, anything, it can be auto, it can be anything for the usage purpose. Then if your company is purchasing like a vehicle, then vehicle account debit 2 lakhs or 5 lakhs and cash account credit 5 lakhs. So for item 1, even item 2 and item 3, the same journal entry is repeating here. Purchase account debit to cash account, purchase account debit to cash account, purchase account debit to cash account. Whereas here, for different items, we are maintaining different accounts or not? Yes.
Yes.
For a different variety of items, for the usage purpose, we are maintaining a separate account. So we need to focus when someone asking question on the purchases.
Or assets.
We have to get clarity. Is it related to goods or is it related to what?
Assets.
Asset. If it is for assets, then for each and every asset, we have to maintain separate account. If it is related to goods, for a different item, for different types of goods also, we have to record in a separate account, that is in single account, that is what purchase account only. Okay. Now slowly understand what purchase account is recording here. Is that purchase account recording the value of the goods received by the company? Yes, what we are recording in purchase account. What is 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs? Is it the value of the goods received by the company or not?
Yes.
Yes. So now I am asking question. Which account company is maintaining to record the value of the goods received by the company from the suppliers or
Purchase account.
purchase account? Okay, which account is maintained by the company to record the value of the goods purchased or value of the goods received by the company from the suppliers for the intention of the resale. రీసేల్ చేయడం కోసం కంపెనీ రిసీవ్ చేసుకునేటువంటి ఆర్ కంపెనీ పర్చేజ్ చేసినటువంటి గూడ్స్ యొక్క వాల్యూని ఏ అకౌంట్ లో కంపెనీ రికార్డ్ చేస్తా ఉంది? పర్చేజ్ అకౌంట్ లో.
Purchase account.
So we should know what is the intention for maintaining of the purchase account. We are creating nothing but we are maintaining Okay, purchase account to record the value of the goods purchased by the company, received by the company from the suppliers for the intention of the resale. సో సింపుల్గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సిందేంటి రీసేల్ కోసం కంపెనీ ఇక్కడ కూర్చోండి నౌ దిస్ ఫ్లో చార్ట్ యూ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ ఇఫ్ కంపెనీ ఈస్ పర్చేజింగ్ ద గూడ్స్ ఫర్ ద రీసేల్ పర్పస్ దెన్ జనరల్ ఎంట్రీస్ లైక్ వాట్ పర్చేజ్ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్ టు క్యాష్ ఆర్ బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ ఆర్ సప్లయర్ అకౌంట్ క్రెడిట్ ఇన్ కేస్ కంపెనీ is purchasing the any item for the usage then journal entry will come like this asset account debit to cash or bank account credit. Asset, it can be anything. It can be furniture, it can be building, it can be vehicle, it can be anything. Okay, you have to get clarity the differences between goods and assets here. I told you already how interior they will make you to get confused here. So always they are trying to make you to get confused. They ask you different kind of cross question. They look like same kind of question, but actually the answer is completely different for the both examples. So many of you will get confused and you are going to give the same answer for the different questions also. Okay. Now are you getting clarity? The differences between goods purchases and asset purchases?
Yes, sir.
So tell me that now the goods purchase, is it for resale? Is it for usage?
Resale it is.
Resale. And asset is what?
Usage of the for company.
Good. Again, now under the again goods purchases, we have different varieties. So these kind of situations will be repeated. These kind of situations or transaction will occur in the business. Again, under the goods purchases, we can classify the transactions like this. So there can be what goods cash purchases, and there can be what goods credit purchase transaction, and there can be what goods cash and credit purchases. And next one is what vendor payments. And next one is what goods cash purchase return and goods credit purchase return. So again we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Total 6 variety of journal entries. Total గా మనకి 6 types ఉన్నాయి దీంట్లో మళ్ళీ అగైన్ గూడ్స్ పర్చేజెస్. సో మీకు క్వశ్చన్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి రావచ్చు మనకి టెల్ మీ జనరల్ ఎంట్రీ ఫర్ ద గూడ్స్ పర్చేజ్ రిటర్న్ ఆర్ టెల్ మీ జనరల్ ఎంట్రీ ఫర్ ద గూడ్స్ క్రెడిట్ పర్చేజ్ రిటర్న్, గూడ్స్ క్యాష్ పర్చేజ్ రిటర్న్, గూడ్స్ క్రెడిట్ పర్చేజ్ రిటర్న్ ఆర్ క్రెడిట్ పర్చేజ్ జనరల్ ఎంట్రీ. Okay, just today I'm focusing what related to purchases. Again, next class we have opposite, that is what sales related. Whatever the situation that we are discussing under the purchases, the same kind of situation also will come under the sales. Purchase లో ఉండే ప్రతి సిచ్యువేషన్ ఆపోజిట్ లో మళ్ళీ సేల్స్ లో కూడా రిపీట్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది. మీన్స్ యూ షుడ్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇన్ పర్చేజెస్ అండ్ దేర్ టైప్స్ దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద సేల్స్ ఆల్సో. సో బీ ఫోకస్ హియర్. Now we'll discuss one by one. Okay, now look at financial statement. Let's assume first we brought capital from the owners. So the journal entry will come like this: cash account debit 10 lakhs and capital account credit 10 lakhs, or it can be anything. Okay, take the 10 lakhs. First I will show the differences here. If company is purchasing the laptop from Dell company with the value of 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, the journal entry is what? Purchase account debit to cash account. So purchase account debit 1 lakh and cash account credit 1 lakh. And here the remaining cash is how much? 9 lakhs. That means in goods purchases, what is happening? In goods purchases, in trading account, business direct expense is going to increase and cash is going to be. So in goods purchases, what effect we have in financial statement? In financial statement, we have effect what? Company's direct expenses will get increase and cash will get decrease. So this kind of question also will come in interview. Can you tell me effect in financial statement regarding the so-and-so transaction? You should be able to explain. Yes, after recording this so-and-so transaction, in business in trading account, company's direct expense will get increase and cash will get decrease. Okay, in case of if it is asset related. In case of it is what? Asset related. For example, furniture. The journal entry, the furniture account or debit 2 lakhs and cash account credit 2 lakhs. Now the remaining cash is what? 7 lakhs. So in asset purchases, what is happening? In asset purchases, in company's balance sheet, under the asset, again under non-current assets will get increase Means company's asset is getting increasing, and company's furnished asset value get increase, and company's what? Cash asset will get decrease. బిజినెస్ లో ఫర్నిచర్ అనే అసెట్ యొక్క వాల్యూ 2 lakhs క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది, పెరుగుతుంది. అండ్ ఆపోజిట్ లో అసెట్ లోని ఇంకో అసెట్ తగ్గిపోతా ఉంది, అంటే క్యాష్ అనే అసెట్ తగ్గిపోతా ఉంది. ఇక్కడ బోత్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అండ్ అసెట్ సైడ్ ఉంది. అసెట్ సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ మాత్రం అసెట్ పెరుగుతుంది, ఇంకో అసెట్ ఏమవుతుంది? తగ్గిపోతా ఉంది. సో గూడ్స్ లో ఏం జరుగుతుంది? ఎక్స్పెన్స్ పెరుగుతుంది అండ్ క్యాష్ తగ్గుతుంది. అసెట్స్ లో అయితే అసెట్ పెరుగుతుంది, క్యాష్ తగ్గుతుంది. రెండింటిలో కామన్ ఏం తగ్గుతుంది? క్యాష్. Okay, this is the difference we have in goods and asset purchases in financial statement. So, mundu theoretically a perfect idea wanted, then you can easily understand all these varieties of journal entries, transactions, and where in Tally and SAP also. You can easily post them in SAP and Tally. Theoretically, if you are wrong, then you may also do mistakes in where at the time of posting the entries in Tally and SAP or any other ERPs. First, you should have a good clarity on the theoretical explanation. Next one. So under the goods purchases, so first one is what? Goods cash purchases and goods credit purchases. You already know what is goods, cash purchases and credit purchases. Still again, I will repeat here. So Reliance company and there is a Dell company. First take the cash purchases. So in cash purchase, what will happen? Company will receive the goods. Company what? Receive the goods, and company receiving like 1 lakh rupees laptop, and company is giving. Company is what? Giving 1 lakh rupees cash. It is clear. The journal entry will come like this: purchase account debit 1 lakh and cash account credit 1 lakh. So after recording this transaction, the company's cash will get decreased by 1 lakh. Now the closing balance in cash account is 9 lakhs. You already know. Now tell me what will happen in credit purchases. Credit purchase in credit purchases, company receive the goods. Hence, receiving goods is successfully completed by the Reliance company from the Dell company. What about the cash payment?
It is not
Company
paid.
do the cash payment? No, company is not
No.
giving cash. Company is not giving 1 lakh rupees cash. May planning to give in future. Planning to give in future. Future in future they want to make the payment. So when company decide to make the payment, when company wants to give some cash to the so and so party in future, then company need to create a create చేసుకోవాలి company అప్పుడు. If company is not giving the cash, then company need to create a liability. Mean creating liability nothing but we have to maintain one separate account for the liability with the vendor name. Okay, now the general entry will come like this. Same, it can be laptop, it can be anything, any item. Let's assume 2 lakhs. So purchase account debit 2 lakhs. So instead of reducing the cash account, next I'm increasing the liability. Purchase account debit 2 lakhs and Dell account credit. Now this time I'm using what? Supplier name, because it is a credit purchase. So purchase account debit 2 lakhs and vendor account credit 2 lakhs. In cash purchase, what happened? Company's expense is getting increasing and cash getting is decreasing. Whereas in credit purchases, company expense is increasing and which one is increasing? Company's liability is increasing. They will ask you, tell me the differences between both the transaction, what effect that you can find out in financial statement. Financial statement lo what effect em. Of course, these two are very easy. They also ask you same question on related to what? goods cash purchase return, credit purchase return, vendor payment, goods cash and credit purchases. They ask you every transaction affecting financial statement. You should be able to explain. I mean, you should have a good observation in financial statement what is going to happen. So in credit purchases, company's expense will get increased and liability also will get increased. So we cannot touch the cash. Let's assume which is situation 1, situation 2. Now go to this one, third one, vendor payment. Okay, let's assume we purchased goods from the Dell company on credit basis with the value is 2 lakhs. After completing credit period, it can be 1 day, it can be 5 days, it can be 15 days, 1 month, 2 months, it can be anything. It depends on the time period given by the vendor company. Let's assume if Reliance is paying, now for the third transaction, the question will come like this. Reliance company paid cash to vendor company rupees 2 lakhs against so and so invoice. Means against so and so credit purchases. Okay. So in this situation, what will happen? In third situation, in third situation, company is going to give the cash or not?
Yes.
Yes. One half of the answer is clear. In situation 3, company is giving
Cash.
okay 2 lakhs rupees cash. Good. Against in third transaction against giving this 2 lakhs rupees cash, what company is going to get? Company is receiving to reduce the 2 lakhs rupees of liability. Yes or no? మనం ఎప్పుడైతే క్యాష్ పే చేస్తామో అప్పుడు మనం మన కంపెనీలో ఉండే లైబిలిటీని తగ్గించుకునేటువంటి బెనిఫిట్ మనం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నామా లేదా ఇక్కడ?
Yes.
Yes. So here to reduce the cash account, record the 2 lakh credit side in cash account. Now the closing balance in cash account is how much? 7 lakhs. Okay. And once the cash is paid by the Reliance company or so and so company, then we need to maintain the liability in Dell account. We have to make it 0. This liability account, Dell account.
0.
Once the cash is paid, we have to
Yes.
make it 0. How can we make it 0? This Dell account is having the credit balance. Okay, to make this account get 0, nothing but to reduce the credit balance in Dell
Debit
account.
side.
Which side we have to enter the amount? Debit
side.
side. How much amount?
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. Simple. To reduce the credit side balance, we have to enter the amount debit side. Or to reduce the debit side amount, we have to enter the amount credit side, opposite. Now the Dell account is going to get nullified, nothing but 0. So finally, in vendor payment, cash account is going to get credit, and which account is going to get debit?
Liability.
Dell account. That means vendor account is getting debited and cash account is going to get credited. Able to follow? Situation 1, 2, 3. These 3 are very easy to understand. Okay, upcoming వచ్చేది కొంచెం complicated గా ఉంటాయి. First, you should have a good clarity on goods, cash purchases and credit purchases and vendor payment. ఇంతవరకు 3 అర్థమవుతున్నాయి. All of you able to follow? Naveen, Sonam, Subbarao and some other candidates.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఎందుకంటే ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ లో ఇక్కడ ఉన్న సిచ్యువేషన్స్ నుంచి ఎలాగైనా క్వశ్చన్ అడగొచ్చు. లేదు నాకు తెలిసింది ఒకటే క్వశ్చన్, ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ నేను ఆన్సర్ చేస్తా అంటే అలా వర్కౌట్ అవ్వకపోవచ్చు ఇంటర్వ్యూ. క్వశ్చన్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి అవ్వచ్చు. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద పాసిబుల్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ విత్ వెండర్ కంపెనీ. Goods, cash purchases and credit purchases and cash and credit purchases, cash purchase return and credit purchase return and vendor payment. So these 3 I will explain you later on, tomorrow. Again, it will take half an hour time. Okay. Now can I ask you the question? Question adagachu?
Sure.
Okay. So tell me, Reliance company purchased goods from Blue Star company. I mean, Reliance company purchased air conditioner from the Blue Star with cash of 5 lakhs. Tell me journal entry. Reliance Digital purchased the air conditioner from the Blue Star company with the cash of 10 lakhs or 5 lakhs. Tell me journal entry, no? మన కంపెనీ రిలయన్స్ బ్లూ స్టార్ అనే కంపెనీ నుంచి ఎయిర్ కండిషన్ పర్చేజ్ చేసింది.
Purchase account debit to cash account debit.
Purchase account debit.
Credit.
If company is purchasing with the bank, then which account you take?
Sorry.
If company is purchasing with the bank, ఒకవేళ బ్యాంక్ ద్వారా పర్చేజ్ చేస్తే
Purchase account debit to bank account.
purchase account debit to
bank account
Bank
credit.
account credit.
if company is purchasing not with the cash, not with the bank, means on credit basis, then journal entry
Purchase account debit to vendor account.
purchase account debit to
Vendor account.
Vendor
account.
credit.
Okay. Like your company Reliance Digital purchased the like again there is a cross question. Of course, your business is what? They are into what? Buying and selling of the electronic items.
Yes.
But even they ask you a question like this. Reliance Digital purchased laptop from Dell company for the office usage. Tell me journal entry. The amount is 1 lakh with the cash.
Purchase account debit to cash account credits.
Asset account debit to cash account.
So here what I mentioned.
Okay. For
Oh.
personal use.
అంటే వాళ్ళ బిజినెస్ లోనే వాళ్ళు యూజ్ చేయడం కోసం ఆఫీస్ మెటీరియల్స్ కోసం యూజ్ చేయడం కోసం ల్యాప్టాప్ పర్చేజ్ చేసుకున్నాం, నాట్ ఫర్ ద రీసేల్.
Okay.
ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ఆల్వేస్ మీరు చాలా ఫోకస్డ్ గా ఉండాలి. ఐటమ్ ఏంటి? ఐటమ్ అనేది ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఫర్ యూసేజ్ పర్పస్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఫర్ ది రీసేల్ పర్పస్? క్లియర్లీ మెన్షన్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ రీసేల్ పర్పస్ దెన్ యూ కెన్ రికార్డ్ ఇన్ ఏ పర్చేస్ అకౌంట్, అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఫర్ యూసేజ్ పర్పస్ దెన్ మెయింటైన్ ఏ సెపరేట్ అకౌంట్. Okay, again in case of if it is in software, you have to create the that is what laptop asset account. Okay, as per the accounting groups. Okay, as per the company maintaining accounting group, we have to assign that laptop account to the different accounting group. But respect to accounting group. In case of if it is in where Tally, then we have to assign that laptop account to the which accounting group, that is fixed assets accounting group. In case of SAP, we will assign to the whatever the accounting group is designed by the company. It can be fixed asset, it can be non-current asset, it can be property, plant, equipment. So accounting groups classification can be slightly different. There is a difference between as per the Tally software and as per the SAP software, or it can be other Oracle, it can be other ERP software. Okay, but you should have a clarity that is it for asset? That asset is what usage purpose?
Usage.
Resale
Resale
purpose.
purpose.
So resale, it can be anything. ఏదైనా సరే రీసేల్ మనకి పర్చేజ్ లో రికార్డ్ చేయండి, రిమైనింగ్ అని సపరేట్ గా అకౌంట్ మెయింటైన్ చేయండి. Okay, next they'll ask a question, why purchase account get debited and why cash account created as per the golden rules and as per the other rules of accounting. Now you already know what is golden rules of account, what is other rules of account. I think what modern rules of accounting. Okay, can anyone tell me purchase account debited, cash account, first one? Why purchase account debited and why cash account credited as per the golden rules? Any guess? Tell me, a purchase is related to persons related account or asset related account or expense account?
Person related accounts.
Purchase account. Guess. You can look at right side in financial statement. We are showing in trading account, left side direct expenses. So finally, this purchase account is what? Expense related account or asset related account, liability, honest equity, expenses, revenue.
Expenses related account.
So that the place of reporting of the purchase account ఎక్కడైతే రిపోర్ట్ అవుతుందో ఫైనాన్షియల్ స్టేట్మెంట్ దాన్ని బట్టి ఈజీ చెప్పొచ్చు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ
Nominal.
expense account. So good. Purchase what? Expenses follow the nominal account rule. As per the nominal account rule, so debit all expense and losses. And cash account, why it is created?
Asset, it's an asset.
Yes. What? It is asset. It comes under the real account. As per the real account, now this asset is what? What goes out. The same way credit purchases. చెప్పండి. పెయిడ్ పర్చేజెస్లో కూడా అంత పర్చేస్ సేమ్ రూల్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది. అండ్ వెండర్ ఏమవుతుంది? వెండర్ ఈజ్ వాట్? పర్సనల్ అకౌంట్,
Liability.
నామినల్ అకౌంట్. Vendor,
Personal.
personal. Now this time the person is receiver or giver? We are
Is a giver.
Is the giver. Good. And go to the payment section, third one. Now the vendor is what? Related to personal account, real account, nominal account. Which one?
Personal account.
Good. Personal account. So if the person, then if it is person, then in this situation, this person is receiver to the company, giver to the company. Receiver
Giver
from
to
the
the-
company or giver to the company? The name of the
Giver.
to the-
Giver to the
Give it
company.
to the company.
thing. Vendor account debit to cash account. We are giving the cash. Then person is the
Creditor is a credit.
thing again. We are talking about third situation. Our company is paying the cash. So vendor account debited, cash account credited. Now vendor, they follow the personal account rule. From the business point of view, this vendor or supplier is a receiver from the company, giver to the company. మనం డబ్బులు ఇస్తున్నామంటే దాని అక్కడ వెండర్ అనే పర్సన్ డబ్బులు రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాడా లేకుంటే ఇస్తున్నాడా?
Receiver.
Receiver is a receiver.
సో యాజ్ పర్ ద పర్సనల్ అకౌంట్ రిసీవర్ ని ఏం చేయాలి? డెబిట్ చేయాలి, క్రెడిట్ చేయాలా?
Debit చేయాలి.
ఏం చేయాలి యాజ్ పర్ ది పర్సనల్ అకౌంట్?
Debit చేయాలి.
Debit the receiver.
డెబిట్ ది రిసీవర్, క్రెడిట్ ది
Giver.
గివర్. సో ఇది కామన్ క్వశ్చన్. ఏదది? జస్ట్ టెల్ మీ ద గోల్డెన్ రూల్స్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్. మీరు 10 years ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉన్నా, ఒక 20 years ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉన్నా, దే ఆస్క్ ద కామన్ క్వశ్చన్, దట్ ఈస్ వాట్? టెల్ మీ ద గోల్డెన్ రూల్స్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్. ఇది గ్యారెంటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్. And also they test you, do you have knowledge on accounting, new accounting rule, nothing but modern accounting rules or American accounting rules. ఇది కూడా పర్ఫెక్ట్ క్లారిటీ ఉండాలి. ఓకే, why when assets and expense are going to get debit and credit, the same way when liability on a equity revenue is going to get debit and credit. రిమైనింగ్ రేపు డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. మీరు మీ నోట్బుక్లో ప్రతి సిచ్యువేషన్కి సపరేట్గా క్వశ్చన్ రాసుకో. ఓకే, మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా ఇచ్చాను మనకు, బట్ మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? మీ నోట్బుక్లో ఈచ్ క్వశ్చన్ సపరేట్గా మీరు తీసుకొని దానికి కరెక్ట్గా ఆన్సర్ రాయండి. అండ్ ఈచ్ జనరల్ ఎంట్రీకి లెఫ్ట్ అండ్ రైట్లో యూ ఆల్రెడీ నో, యూ హవ్ టు రైట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ వై పర్చేజ్ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్ అండ్ వై క్యాష్ అకౌంట్ గెట్ క్రెడిట్ యాజ్ పర్ ద గోల్డెన్ రూల్స్ అండ్ యాజ్ పర్ ది other rules of account. You should know how the journal entry is coming with the golden rules of accounts as well as other rules of account. Means as per the modern rules of accounting. So, రెండు rules explain చేసే stage లో మీరు ఉంటారు. When you go for MNC companies, you have good knowledge on which one, that is modern rules of accounting also, not only golden rules of accounts. Okay, because they don't know about the golden rules because it is Indian accounting rule, not the American accounting. Okay, any doubts from today's session? Anyone?
No, sir.
ఓకే, నేను ఎస్టర్డే క్లాస్ టుడే క్లాస్ మీకు అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను మీ గ్రూప్లో, ఫాలో అవ్వండి. అండ్ డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి మీకు. అండ్ మీకు ఆల్రెడీ మెటీరియల్ షేర్ చేశాను. మెటీరియల్స్ అన్ని కూడా మీరు ఓపెన్ చేయండి. మెటీరియల్తో పాటు కంపల్సరీగా మీరు క్లాస్ నోట్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయండి.
ఇది ఫికోన్ కదా సార్ మెటీరియల్?
అది కాదు, ఇది థియరిటికల్.
Others-
మీకు పీడిఎఫ్ ఫైల్ పంపించాను. పికో ఇస్ కంప్లీట్ డిఫరెంట్ మెటీరియల్. అది అడిషనల్ సోర్స్ పర్పస్లో పంపించాను.
ఏది పంపించారు సార్? నాకు ఇది రాలేదు.
ఐ థింక్ మీరు రీసెంట్గా జాయిన్ అయ్యారు కదా, మీకు మెయిల్ ఐడి ఇచ్చారు, నాకు మీరు పంపించారు వాట్సాప్.
పంపించాను.
Sir, నాకు రాలేదు.
సెండ్ చేసి ఉంటారు. ఒకసారి రీసెండ్ చేయండి మీ మెయిల్ ఐడీస్ నాకు.
ఓకే.
Okay.
అంటే కొన్ని మనకి టాపిక్స్ రిలేటెడ్గా నోట్స్ అంటే పీడిఎఫ్ ఫైల్స్ ఉంటాయి, అవి నేను పంపిస్తాను. స్పెషల్గా మనం డిజైన్ చేసినవి సెండ్ చేస్తాను. అది ప్రింట్అవుట్ తీసుకొని ప్రిపరేషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి.
Okay.
సుబ్బారావు, మీరు రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్నారా? ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. సీ యూ. గుడ్ నైట్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఎస్ సుబ్బారావు, మీకు మెటీరియల్స్ రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్నారు?
సార్ చెప్పండి.
ఓకే, మెయిల్ ఐడి సెండ్ చేయండి, పంపిస్తాను.
ఓకే.
ఓకే.